Hi, I'm Peter Sidwell. I have just finished testing and developing another recipe. I'm super excited to share it with you, so I cannot wait. Thought I'd have a cup of coffee and kind of share it with you. So these chocolate cookies are super easy to make. First of all, add in your cocoa powder and then your granulated sugar. Pour in the vegetable oil and then crack 2 eggs straight into the mixing bowl. And then not much more ingredients. A little bit of orange zest. In that goes, give it a mix, and then take your plain flour and your baking powder, pour that in, and then just whisk it up until you get this really sort of fudgy, nice chocolate dough. So once you've got that, take an ice cream scoop, dip it in some hot water, and then just portion it out. Now this recipe makes 12 of this size, which is a good size, and pop it in the fridge for about half an hour, maybe an hour or so. Look, everyone's got time. And once they've sort of cooled, firmed up and a little easier to handle, drop each ball of cookie dough into some icing sugar and then pop them straight onto a non-stick baking tray into the oven, 190 degrees for about 12 minutes. And what happens is they kind of crackle and open like this, you see? So you get the icing sugar on the outside and then you get these lovely cool little sort of dark chocolate crackles. They're super soft and fudgy inside. Absolutely delicious. Go to kitchencraft.co.uk to get the recipe and give them a go.